a sail. The broth is hot. The wind's prevail. Ha, ha, hey! What feeds a crew through storm and foam? Miso Ramen brings us home. Cloves, garlic, chop them fine. 50 grams of ginger shine. 2 shallots join the sailor's song. Into the pot where flavors belong. Chop and stir, let the ocean flavors whir. Chop and stir, till the galley smells superb. Keep the sesame oil bright, keep the cooking fire alight. Garlic, ginger, shallots too, dance together in the brew. Miso follows rich and gold, a sailor's treasure to behold. Then 2 liters of broth we pour to feed the hungry crew once more. Oh, the broth rolls high and deep, while the storming ocean sweep. Miso Ramen, rich and warm, keeps us safe through every storm. Heave away, hoist away, fill the bowls before the break of day. Hey! Sesame seeds and sugar sweet, sight makes the flavor complete. Salt and pepper join the sea, 10 minutes simmer merrily. Meanwhile cut the vegetables fine, pak choy, carrots all in line. Mushrooms, corn and zucchini too, enough for every sailor crew. Stir it slow, watch it grow, let the fragrant currents flow. Stir it slow, watch it grow, like the tide beneath the bow. Boil the eggs for 6 or 7, golden treasures sent from heaven. Soy and myrin, water clear, marinate them without fear. Leave them resting through the night, till the yolks are shining bright. Oh, the broth rolls high and deep, while the storming ocean sweep. Miso Ramen, rich and warm, keeps us safe through every storm. Heave away, hoist away, fill the bowls before the break of day. Cook the noodles, drain them well, hear the galley dinner bell. Into the broth they gently go with vegetables, row by row. Taste with soy sauce rich and bold, a sailor's feast worth more than gold. Miso Ramen, raise your bowl, warm the body, feed the soul. From eastern seas to western foam, every sailor calls it home. Miso Ramen,